Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto in Phantom Wallet. First, download and install the Phantom Wallet extension for your browser or the mobile app. Once installed, you'll either create a new wallet, which generates a unique recovery phrase, or import an existing one using your secret phrase. Remember to keep your recovery phrase extremely safe and private. You'll need some Solana or SOL to cover transaction fees. To fund your Phantom Wallet, you can transfer Solana from a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Simply copy your Phantom Wallet address and paste it into the exchange's withdrawal section. Alternatively, many wallets offer direct fiat-to-crypto on-ramp services, allowing you to buy SOL with a debit card. Always ensure you have sufficient SOL for network fees, typically a small fraction of 1 SOL. With SOL in your wallet, you're ready to swap for other cryptocurrencies. Navigate to the swap icon within your Phantom Wallet interface. Choose the token you want to exchange and the token you wish to receive. The wallet will display the exchange rate and any associated network fees. Carefully review all the details before confirming the transaction to complete your swap. Security is paramount when managing your crypto. Always double-check all transaction details, including the recipient address and amount, before confirming any action. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, and consider storing it in a secure, offline location. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Your digital assets are your responsibility, so stay vigilant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.